Just another slime time video. Today I am going to be making cream cheese slime. So let's get into it. So let me show you what you need. You need glue, cornstarch, foaming hand soap, body wash, shaving foam. I've got two of them because this one's almost empty. As you can see, I use them in actually, as you know, or if you do know, I've used this one in almost all my videos, so I've got a second one. And slime activator, as you know, I always use liquid starch. Let's get into it. Start by pouring some glue. I say around a cup, but I don't really do measurements. They're like a waste of time. Just experiment. I'm putting a little bit. Okay. Then add some cornstarch. I'm using the rest of the cornstarch in here because I do not have much cornstarch inside of here, so goodness. And then also you need a mixing tool, so of course I'm using a simple spoon. You can use a skewer, those stuff. I definitely did not add enough glue into here. Maybe I did. Definitely not. I put in a little less glue than I'm supposed to because I don't have much cornstarch left, but I'm still stirring. Beautiful. Then add so like 5 to 10 pumps of foaming hand soap. I'm gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna start with 5. Yes, I think 5 is a nice good amount. Then add 1 cup, or just try to squirt 1 cup of shaving foam. I'm not wasting my time on doing a cup. I'm just gonna straighten out shaving foam. I think that's around a cup. Hope so. My shaving foam's kind of watery now, but still good. Ugh. Then 5 to 10 pumps of a body wash. 1. Oh no, I dripped that all over the floor. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then start by mixing. This is going to be kind of a bluish cream cheese because my thing is blue. Slowly add activator. I'm also going to try to reach out the rest of my cornstarch because you can also use baby powder instead of cornstarch, but I don't have baby powder, so I've got to use the little left of cornstarch I have in my cornstarch container. So yes, start by slowly adding in that activator until it turns to slime. So I'm slowly adding my activator to it. So also check out my slime store, Slimetime.fws.store. Yes, it's my slime store. I have a slime store, Slimetime.fws.store. Check it out. Do it. And you can watch my other videos. I really want to post more. I'm thinking of making my next video is probably going to be jiggly slime without glycerin. I have my whole day recipe for that. So that's probably going to be my next video, or it might be my other slimes, but I'm really thinking that could be my next video. Cause yeah. So I and still mixing. If yours isn't if yours is not really cream cheesy just keep adding things. I'm not really, each thing does an important part. It's kind of really sticky to my hands, so I'm gonna add this. I'm thinking that my shaving foam wasn't too fluffy, so you might be able to use shaving gel, but I'm not sure because I think you need like that foamy kind of thing This is weird because it's kind of sticky, but on the other hand, it isn't. I did add a lot of activator right then to there, so I'm probably going to need some more glue or stuff, you know. Or maybe that was just perfect amount. Yes, knitting. Definitely going to be need some more of this stuff. I'm gonna start by adding glue. And maybe add some more of this. I keep making this, I miss it every time. Oh. Maybe add some more of that and this. A lot of things I need to add more of. Maybe I'll add some more, no, not more shaving foam. So it's kind of turning into this cream cheesy-like thing. I'll try to get all, maybe it needs more foaming, not foaming. Actually, foaming hand soap, you don't actually need, but I say use it. It makes it better, but it doesn't really serve a, like, you don't actually need it, but it makes it fluffier and actually funner to play with and stuff. So I say definitely use it, but you take your choice. But if you don't actually have any foaming hand soap, then of course you don't have to use it, and you can still make this amazing slime. So yeah, I'm still knitting it and playing with it. I barely any of this cornstarch left. It's really annoying. I definitely need to go to the store and buy some more cornstarch because slime, cornstarch, those go together. Cornstarch slime is a very important kind of slime. Some of these slimes need cornstarch, so I say definitely, if you're a slime expert or love to make slime, I say put that cornstarch in your house. So yeah, it is very, it's kind of ready. So I'm gonna actually put it back in the bowl and add some more hand soap. Hand soap does, body wash does serve a big point. So I say that's important. And also, I'm not using coloring today. Today I would love to have just a white. That's why I'm adding more cornstarch and stuff. Everything here is white except that blue body wash. I don't have any white body wash, so sad for me. Or you can also use clear things and have like one white thing, because clear, one thing of a color would turn like the whole entire thing that color, because that's what happens to clear. So right now I'm still adding more of stuff. It's a little sticky, so I still wish I had more cornstarch. Cornstarch makes it thicker. So I don't want it to be like slime. I want it to be, yeah. It is a little bit sticky, and I really want to add, and it was sticky for me, and I've been playing with it for a while. For other people, it's going to be super sticky. Just remember, if you've been playing it for a while, you made the slime. That means for other people, like if you have any siblings who want to play with the slime, definitely make it little, like if it's a little sticky to you, it's going to be very sticky to your, to the other people who want to play with it, because it's, because you've been playing it for a while, or you can just tell your siblings or friend to just keep playing with it for a while, and then it'll stop being sticky. Or you can just not make it sticky by adding more things, more cornstarch. I like this to be thick, so I'm trying to add every last piece of cornstarch into the bowl, and I'm maybe getting the sides until there's literally no cornstarch left in my container. So leave a like, subscribe, watch my other videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video, but it's not quite over yet, actually. I'm still adding more cornstarch. It's getting really annoying. I just want to add stupid cornstarch. But it won't let me add that cornstarch. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Hope you can actually make this at home. Like, if you're out there and like, oh, I cannot make any slimes at home, just if I keep repeating some ingredients, so you don't have those and you can never make the slime. Something called the store. Go buy it. That means you can make many slimes, especially glue and activator is what I always use. And glue and activator mixing those two things together will make slime. So just get those two and you will be able to make slime. So I'm adding more stupid cornstarch. Every last piece in here shall be inside my slime. So I'm still adding the slime. I'm still making it. So that's how you make it. If you want, if you just want to get it, you can, well, okay. So I'm not having this any fast mode or change of view because I really don't feel like editing today and putting that together. So it's not gonna have any fancy stuff because I really do not feel like editing today. It's like 7 o'clock at night, and I really don't want to. So yeah, it's just gonna be a simple video. If you want it to be fast mode, go to that button that you can, I forgot what the button is, that you can make it 2 times fast, but then you miss all the words, so, but whatever. You can always do captions, you know. If my thing allows me to do captions. I don't know if Slimetime allows you to do captions. I don't know how to do that. I love making slime, so if you do too, get the slime basics, use supplies. So this looks just like cream cheese. I say it would be super cute if you get like a cream cheese container and you ate all the cream cheese inside. You can put this inside. Maybe you can prank your friends. They put this on a bagel. Like, this is no cream cheese. It actually doesn't it look like cream cheese, but it doesn't even feel like it as much. I don't know why they called it cream cheese slime. If I was them, I'll call it I don't know. I don't know what I'll call it. Maybe cottage cheese. No, cottage cheese will have like crunchies inside of them, you know, because cottage cheese has like clumps in them. Maybe that will be something. Because I already think of cottage cheese slime. If there is, please email me about that, because I would love to make it in one of my videos. And I'll try finding the easiest, most simple one. I don't have much things, so I try making the most easy, simplest. Simple. That means it's like, you know what simple means. The easiest, most simple kind of recipe. Because I don't want it to like, I'm okay if it has lots of stuff. I just want it to have like glycerin and that kind of stuff, which I don't have. It's okay if it has a lot of stuff at home, like hand soap and all that stuff that you normally have at home. Well, maybe not normal people are shaving cream at home. Actually, a lot of people do, but some people actually don't. But it's okay. You can always go to the store. And also, it's good if it's just yours and not anyone else's, because this is just mine, because no one else in my family makes slime, and it's sad. So I think it's ready. It just needs a little more cornstarch. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, okay, ready. I'm gonna try putting this on the ground maybe. Maybe not. Maybe so, maybe not. Is this clean butter? Okay, no, I'm just gonna put it. Let's do it, Ivy. Okay. If you guys know, my name is Ivy. Actually, I'm gonna put it into my bowl and just place it in my bowl. So I might have some, like, so. Okay, so this is the final thing of cream cheese. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and slime! It made a really good cream cheese slime. Like, really good. Like, better than I expected. Seriously, I did not expect it to turn out this nice. So if you enjoy this video, make the slime and, of course, leave a like, subscribe, and watch my other videos. You can email Slimetime.fws.store. Like, because I don't have comments, you can just, and if you want to tell me something, email me, goslimetimeforever@gmail.com. So, toodles.